gotta find
So day one of the Girl Child Boot Camp was basically all about welcoming wonke amantombazane coming into camp. And then uNomzamo Mbatha came. The kids loved uNomzamo Mbatha. She was able to turn his story sakwa singane ngane, and we were able to relate to it as young kids. And then the mayor closed it down.
I'm a superwoman.
So day 2 wethu nakhona wahamba kahle ekseni bavukile bajimiswa uQueen Fitness Mapule Ndlovu bajabula emva kalokho from 9 o'clock bathathwa Spirit of Adventure for the entire day bebenza ama activities ahlukene and then again baphindela for a formal session.
It was very emotional. We talked about sex, we talked about rape, we talked about menstrual cycle, we talked about careers, we touched on depression, and it was a beautiful conversation to have. It was a great vision to see where the country will be in a year's time in 2020. Now day 3, we're closing it down. I'm so excited because we're celebrating. We've had the hard conversations, we've had the easy conversations. Now we get to reflect.
Isamantombazane kumele silekelelane futhi siyisane phambili singacikelelani phansi silwe ndawonye ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Sibe brave, sibe strong, basifundisa nalokho ukuthi nje yabo sikwazi nje ukuyimela singasabutho.
Ngoba as uyintombazane kumele uyiphathe kahle, take care of yourself, ungahambi lokhana ulala, ulokhana uvula, and futhi ke the most important thing ukuthi uyibeke wena kuqala before others because bona abantu ngeke bakwenzele lutho.
Ngiyathemba ukuthi unyaka wonke amantombazane azohamba aye emakhaya bazi ukuthi bayokwenzani and futhi what is for future. NjengoNomzamo Mbatha esitshenile nje ukuthi amantombazane they not go follow abafana, they have ukuthi bafollow ikole and futhi kunothisha lapha ngaphandle abafuna ukufundisa mina nawe ukuthi what is life. Siyabonga kakhulu uMasipala weTheku noMamZandile.
iTheku into engiyithanda bathe umfana noma ingane yomfana uyala eThekwini angeke izisale because ngoMarch we're going to be having another session ekanje which is the Boy Child Camp.
Yeah.